Hi guys, welcome back to another DIY gift basket idea. These are the stuff that I will be using to make my gift basket. Most of the stuff that I have here are lavender. This basket is for a lavender lover. I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff in my basket, and this is just a DIY gift basket idea that you can make for your friends or your family members. So guys, stay tuned and watch this video all the way through to the end. Please leave a thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel if you are not yet a subscriber, and leave a comment and let me know what you think about this gift basket.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you.